Today we are going to learn how to make stuffed idli. So idli is a staple South Indian dish and we are going to add a healthy veggie twist to this idli. Many times packing sambar with idli in lunchbox is a challenge because the liquid can leak out from the lunchboxes. So this stuffed idli you can have on its own or you can pack it with chutney, and I'm sure your kids are going to enjoy this dish. Let's see how to make stuffed idli. So now we have the vegetable stuffing ready. I have already made this idli batter. What I did was yesterday morning I soaked rice and dal, unpolished rice, and with chilka whole black color urad dal. In the night, just before going to bed, I ground it to a fine paste and kept it to ferment. Today morning it was nicely fermented. Now we are going to use this batter to make idli. So you take your idli mold and put just a spoonful of idli batter in each of the mold. Now I am going to add the vegetable stuffing. I will make it little flat and make sure it spreads nicely throughout the idli batter. Today we have used this filling, but instead of this mixed veg filling, you can make your simple masala that we eat with masala dosa, right? You can use aloo and matar sabzi. You can even make tomato onion fry. You can be creative and create your own filling for the idli. Once the stuffing goes in, We are going to cover it again with a spoonful of idli batter. So the stuffing is not visible from outside and it can be a nice surprise for your child. So now we are going to steam the idlis for 10 to 12 minutes. You can use idli cooker, you can use regular pressure cooker without whistle, and let's see how they turn out. So after 12 minutes of steaming, stuffed idlis are ready. As I was telling you, you can have it with chutney or you can have them on its own. Let's see how the stuffing looks like. And the stuffed idli is ready. You can have it with coconut milk coriander chutney or even tomato ketchup.